This is yours truly. Look at this. These trees are 5 feet tall, 6 feet tall, and kept at that height. Look at that. These are two trees side by side. This is a Georgia, and they're healthy. You can see all the beautiful leaves and everything. Just looking great. The leaves are all popped out. Now this one didn't fruit this year. Tried to fruit last year, and for some reason it just got a couple blossoms on it there. One, maybe two on it, and that's all it does. We'll go over here to this one. This one's the same thing, 5 feet tall, and has some blossoms on it. They've been hit by the cold, but some of them survived. And most of the time, this tree will blossom so early that it'll die back. Okay. All right. And we got the 6 foot tall, what is this, a cherry tree? Beautiful, healthy. And as I said again, I'll keep them cut back. Got one bug in there. Looks like a ladybugs. I don't know what they are. They're mating. And there they go. Then we got these are the blueberries. And when I put that, I try to tell as many people as I can, put that peat moss around a root about 1 inch deep. And then you take plane going over. Then you got the pine bark. Some people say use the coffee grinds. I don't know how well they work because I've never used them. The stores where I have don't really feel like messing with me when I come in there to get the coffee grounds. So I haven't had the opportunity to try them yet. And this is another situation here where I have more black blueberry plants, different varieties. They're tall varieties. And see, all of them have some berries on them. One thing blueberries like is to be clipped as far as pruning them, and they will grow back. All right, this is the Morning Garden Show. This is supposed to be my tree that does all the growing as far as bringing in my pollinators. But this year, since I clipped all this back, see all that on the ground? That's going to turn into rich soil. They don't do well. All right, this is the Morning Gardener Show.